Alright, Fallen Skies Homestead Preparedness Channel. I'm here with my dad. We're here at Branson Tractors. And today Dad's gonna pick me up a tractor. Yeah, right. But we're looking at some tractor implements, and we just got finished going over the TYM tractors. Gave us a pretty in-depth deal. I think about this one that's up in front, but I like the TYM. This Branson right here is pretty sharp too, but they're now going to be the same company. We're up here in Cummings, Georgia, about 70 miles away from where we live now. This is pretty nice. Yeah. It's a nice unit. But we're looking at that one up in front. Jump up in there, Dad. Pop's gonna get in there. Gotta kind of. Actually, I think it's better to go from the other side. Go that. Go around that one.
We're gonna plow some ground tonight. Ready to plow?
Yeah. Dad's ready to plow and
Giddy up and go.
And get up and go. Well, that's pretty sharp there.
Kill some snakes.
Yeah, that's the main reason why he's looking at it. So he don't want to deal with no more snakes. No more. So we're looking at the same style, but just in the TYM product that's up in the front. The guy's gonna give us a quote on it. I really like the cab tractors, but way out of our price range. But this is sharp, and it has some stuff in the back. I'm gonna show you the difference.
There's my drink deal here for my cocktail.
Yeah.
Definitely have a cocktail.
That's what Pop's worried about. Make sure it has a cocktail holder so his drink won't fall while he's doing his stuff.
The martini sitting right there on the side so we can dip and go.
Yeah. So this one's a little bit different than the one that he just showed us, but they do still have the extendable units right here where this extends out. Okay, and that extends out, that helps. But what we're going to show you back up here, it doesn't have that lever while you can actually push your 3-point hitch up. So I think that was pretty cool. I'm going to show you that front one. Man, take a look at this damn spiders right there. That's ridiculous. That's when you know you're in Georgia. Look out for spiders and damn snakes. This is unbelievable. We're going to take a look at the one that's up in front. Yeah, let's look back at that one in front. Let's take a look at that one in front. Out here they're talking much more sense out here. The one coming way up here to Cummings. As far as the pricing is concerned, they wasn't as crazy where we at. The prices where we're at, man. You can buy you a whole new house for what they were talking about. These are these little electric tractors. I don't know about them. But that's interesting. If y'all want an electric tractor. It's interesting. Yeah, we're at that Branson Tractors. Here's what's called Georgia Land Equipment and Sales in Cummins, Georgia. It's pretty neat. That's a pretty neat unit too. This is the one we're actually looking at right here. I'm going to show you the difference that we just looked at. See, they have that lever right there. That lever will actually move your 3-point hitch up while you're trying to put it together. So when you're using any 3-point implement, you can use that lever, so you can extend it out down here, and then you can use this lever right here to actually raise and lower the actual unit. So and it comes with the extra stuff for the PTOs. I think that's interesting for the hydraulics. And the regular standard 6-ply PTO hitch, 4-wheel drive. This is the TYM tractor. This is the one that we're looking at. Like I said, it wasn't that bad. I like it. Maybe one day. Alright, Fallen Skies Homestead Preparedness Channel. Y'all say, Dad, buy your son a tractor. Alright, you guys.
We're going to get this here, son. We're gonna get this
over and
tomorrow.
out. He said we're going to get this one tomorrow.
We're gonna get this tomorrow.
Okay. Santa Claus is real. Okay, guys. Fallen Skies Homestead, over and out.